Are you trying to shield your car from sun, rain, and dust without breaking the bank? Don't worry, we've got you covered with top-rated car covers that balance protection, fit, and value. Today, I'm going to go over the best car covers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Season Guard car cover. From the moment you unbox it, the Season Guard car cover reveals an understated, purpose-driven design aimed at casual to enthusiast drivers. Its protective purpose aligns with affordable protection for daily drivers, offering a practical option for outside storage and garage parking alike. Constructed with a rugged polyester blend and heat-sealed seams, it resists tearing while maintaining flexible fit across varying wheelbase lengths. The design is tailored to fit most sedan profiles and small SUVs, with reinforced corners that prevent fabric sag at wind gusts. The fabric uses UV-resistant fabric technology that helps prevent sun damage to paint and helps colors stay vibrant over years. It measures approximately 90 by 72 by 60 inches, offering roomy coverage for compact sedans and mid-size crossovers alike. The integrated grommets and wind straps ensure secure anchoring during storms, minimizing movement that could abrade paint over prolonged exposure. When folded, a compact storage bag slips easily into a trunk pocket, making transport and storage frictionless for busy drivers. While the price remains attractive, the cover uses standard thickness fabric that may wear sooner in abrasive environments. In wind tunnel style tests, it stayed taut at highway speeds, with straps ensuring it didn't balloon or flap noisily. The elastic hem fit adapts to different wheelbases while maintaining a close seal around the lower edges for improved wind resistance. Breathable vents prevent moisture buildup under the cover, reducing moisture traps that could contribute to rust during long overnight parking. When compared to the DynoShield Deluxe cover, the Season Guard car cover offers similar coverage with a friendlier price point. The pros include lightweight, budget-friendly, and secure fit. The cons include high price and heavy weight. At number 4, we have the Avecrew car cover. Initial impressions suggest a purpose-built for everyday drivers seeking reliable protection, with clear fit expectations and straightforward storage requirements. Target audience seems to include urban commuters, weekend travelers, and fleet managers who value protection practicality and weather resistance over premium aesthetics. The build quality impresses with heavy-duty fabric, reinforced seams, and an elastic hem that maintains tension without stressing the car's contours. Dimensions include a wide midsection and tapered ends designed to fit sedans, SUVs, and hatchbacks with a generous clearance for antennae. When folded, it reduces to a compact bundle that slips into a standard trunk organizer or spare tire well for easy transport. A standout feature is a reflective strip for visibility, integrated venting to reduce moisture buildup, and a breathable mesh panel for temperature regulation. Another technical detail is UV-stabilized fabric that resists sun degradation and color fading over seasons, maintaining appearance and protection. The cover uses a weather-resistant outer layer with a soft inner lining to prevent scratches during installation and removal. In field tests, the Avecrew car cover repelled light rain and held its fit under wind gusts, preserving vehicle finish. During wind exposure, the elastic hem kept the cover snug without ballooning, though heavier gusts required additional ground anchors. In terms of storage and deployment time, it folds quickly into the included bag and unfolds with minimal risk of tangling. When compared to the CoverGuard Pro from a rival brand, the Avecrew car cover offers similar weather protection at a friendlier price. The pros include exceptional abrasion-resistant outer layer, secure universal fit across sedans and SUVs, and compact lightweight storage bag included. The cons include a higher price relative to budget options and a moderate weight that makes portable handling less effortless in limited spaces. At number 3, we have the GUNHYI Universal Car Cover, a versatile shield designed to protect vehicles from sun, rain, and outdoor hazards. Initial impressions suggest a broad target audience, including outdoor parking residents, busy commuters, and budget-minded car owners seeking reliable protection. From the outset, the cover reads as a practical choice for renters and homeowners who value protection without a high price tag. Build quality appears sturdy, featuring a multi-layer shell, reinforced seams, and flexible edge hems crafted to resist tearing and weathering. Dimensions are tuned to cover common sedans and compact SUVs, with an elastic hem and grommets that secure the cover during windy days. Standout features include an integrated venting system to reduce moisture, reinforced straps, and a lightweight construction for easy handling. Safety and visibility elements include reflective piping for nighttime cues and a quick access pocket for storing small accessories. Installation is straightforward, typically taking under a minute for most vehicles, with built-in guides helping align corners and edges. Maintenance is straightforward with mild soap, water, and air drying, while the cover folds neatly into a compact bag. Real-world tests under sun and rain show dependable performance with negligible color fade and a watertight feel during light showers. During windy sessions, the elastic hem and corner straps reduce lift effectively, although extremely gusty conditions demand additional anchors or locked in place. Compared to a top-rated premium cover, the GUNHYI balances protection and affordability while offering easier installation for most users. The pros include excellent universal fit for most sedans and SUVs, durable water-resistant fabric, and affordable price. The cons include being notably bulkier when folded for storage and straps that may loosen in high wind conditions, requiring occasional adjustment. At number 2, we have the Budge Lite. From the moment unboxed, the Budge Lite conveys a practical vibe with its compact packaging, appealing to budget-conscious buyers seeking value. Initial use reveals a breathable 3-layer fabric construction that promises weather resistance without adding bulk, ideal for city cars and casual drivers. Its outer shell uses a water-resistant polyester blend and reinforced seams, delivering a sturdy feel that resists moderate wind gusts. The dimensions accommodate most mid-size sedans while leaving a little slack for slight curvature, ensuring a secure fit without ripping during installation. Rings and elastic hems thread through the hem to grip wheel arches, maintaining position even when facing light gusts and parking lot activity. The Budge Lite incorporates a lightweight, compact storage pouch that folds neatly into a trunk pocket, reducing clutter without sacrificing quick deployment. UV-resistant coating helps prevent sun degradation, while the reflective logo improves visibility at night when parked, a thoughtful safety touch. A breathable vent mesh reduces condensation underneath the cover, and a simple strap system secures it during breezy days, preventing flapping noises. In field tests, the Budge Lite resisted light rain and dust, keeping paint pristine and free of residue after overnight exposures. During gusty winds, the elasticized edge held well on test vehicles, while droplets beat up and roll off before seeping inward. The stitching remained intact after repeated folding and unfolding, demonstrating durability and reinforcing the expectation of long-term use without early wear. Compared to the premium Shield Guard Pro, the Budge Lite delivers significantly lower price while offering comparable basic weather protection and fit. The pros include a strong build that feels durable, lightweight handling for installation, and an affordable price compared with premium options. The cons include limited long-term durability, potential wear over years of heavy use, and not ideal for premium vehicles. At number 1, we have the WMCHEYI Car cover. From the moment you open the box, you notice compact packaging and clear instructions, signaling a practical audience of budget-conscious drivers. The cover feels lightweight yet sturdy, suggesting it targets everyday commuters and weekend hobbyists seeking reliable vehicle protection. Despite its rugged intent, the design remains user-friendly with straightforward fit hooks and a quick-access storage pouch for busy owners. Constructed from a dual-layer polyester blend, the outer shell resists rain while the inner lining cushions delicate finishes during installation. It comes in multiple sizes and uses an elastic hem with adjustable straps to secure a snug fit on most sedans. The protective layer employs a water-resistant coating and microfiber backing that minimizes water intrusion while reducing surface abrasion during windy exposures. Reflective piping enhances visibility at night, and the included carry bag simplifies storage while preserving the cover's creases until next use. In gusty exposure tests, the cover held firm against winds up to 40 mph thanks to reinforced straps and snug elastic hems. Compared to the NovaShield cover, the WMCHEYI Car cover offers a tighter fit and better breathability due to its elastic hem. The pros include excellent fit for a wide range of vehicles, strong water resistance and wind protection, and easy setup and compact storage. The cons include higher price than basic covers and storage bag adds bulk when not in use. To maximize longevity, clean with a mild soap solution, rinse thoroughly, and air dry away from direct heat to preserve fabric integrity. Some buyers wonder about color fading. The fabric maintains color well with UV-resistant coating under normal sunlight. In daily use, removal is quick and the cover folds neatly into the included pouch without tangling straps.